Hello.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to discuss something that Samsung released. Now, first, let's get some coffee. See, Samsung has been the epitome of innovation for the past few years. They were the first company to have the Edge screen display. What I mean by that? You know the Note Edges, Note and the Galaxy S series with Edge screens? Samsung was the first of them. Now, when Samsung launched their Note 4, they launched two versions. The first one was the normal Note with the normal edges with the leather back and so on, and the second one was somewhat a little different from anything that Samsung has ever released. Now they call that the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, the first generation of the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. For instance, have a look at this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, the very first generation of Samsung Galaxy Note Edges. This phone, one edge display, and on the other side there's no edge at all. But the latest Samsung phones have double-sided edge displays, like this one for instance. This is the Galaxy Note 8. This has two edges, not one but two. How crazy is that? Samsung, being the epitome of all innovations in the world, has taken up on itself to be the second company to release the world's flexible devices. Now, why second? Let me tell you about it. Now, when you Google the world's first flexible display, you get this. Now, Royal FlexiPly was the first company that announced their own flexible display few weeks ahead of Samsung, beating Samsung to its own punch. But the phone's not practical enough. It's very expensive. Well, that's the price of innovation, but it's very expensive, and for the price, you do not get much. It's very bulky in nature, and it does not fit your pockets. And that's what a mobile phone is. It needs to fit into your pockets. But Samsung, a few weeks later, announced their very own flexible display device. Well, it's just an announcement more than a release, because they're working on it as yet. They released something called Infinite Flex Display, which is their foldable phone technology. Now, the flexible phone display helps users fold the screen, a tablet-sized screen. Hang on. Now, the flexible phone display, what it does is it takes a screen as big as this and turns it into this, a pocket-sized display good enough for people to carry. Now, the flexible phone display helps fold down a 7.3-inch tablet-sized display to your bite-sized pockets. Now, how amazing is that? Now, Samsung released a disguised display that looks almost like the flexible display but with large bezels, and they said that it's a very disguised device because the actual design of the device is not yet revealed. At the moment, all we know is that you can fold out a tablet like a candy bar, and according to what they demonstrated in the Samsung Developers Conference, they said that you can run up to 3 apps at the same time. How cool can that get? You can play a YouTube video, you can play Candy Crush, and you can also check a mail at the same time. It's cool. There's one more thing. Google, on the other hand, also released their developer features for the flexible device, meaning Google officially recognizes the flexible devices, which is a very good part done by Google. Last but not the least, other manufacturers like Xiaomi, Lenovo and Huawei have been working on their versions of the flexible devices, and they're set to be releasing the next year. Well, that's all from me. Let me know your thoughts in the description down below. And until tomorrow, hey guys! Thank you so much for watching this video. I know you like technology, don't you? Well, that's not the point. The point is, if you want to keep updated about the latest news as and when they happen, use that subscribe button right there very graciously. It's gonna help you. If you do like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up as well. It's free, you know. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, I want to see you back again. Okay? Bye now.